Hello, my 3D printer peeps. I'm sitting here next to the Creality Smoke Purifier FDM version. That is model number APF. Now, we all know 3D printers aren't supposed to smoke. And we all know that certain filaments are relatively safe to print with, or so we've been told, while others are less so. I'm looking at you, ABS. More options, better options for filtering any type of toxic particulates coming from our 3D printers should probably be welcomed by us, the user. Enter the Creality Smoke Purifier. Now, I'm not fond of the Smoke Purifier name. However, I get where it originated. There is a smoke purifier for Creality's laser engraver series, the Falcon, and this is a version of that transformed to fit into 3D printing. Do I think it probably should have dropped the name Smoke? Yes, I do. But here we are, and this is the nature of translation across borders. So it is, and so we shall accept. Let's pop this thing open and have a peek. In this box, it looks quite large. I'm curious exactly how big it actually is. There's only one way to find out. I was gonna throw this box at you, but it looks like there's stuff in there. We've got a white plug. What's up with that? We've got a flexi exhaust pipe. Wow, this is really robust. It is really robust. It's hard to explain how solid. What's that? Duh, of course. No, I am your father. You happy? Really, 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 wow, impressive, this thing. Well, it's not quite as big as the box makes it look. I am quite happy they did invest this much packing material to make sure it shows up in one piece the first time. Holy beautiful Batman. This thing is nice. What happened to the days of 3D printers being ugly? Those days are over. I truly couldn't imagine the Creality of the Ender 3 Pro days putting out something as sleek as this. It looks really nice. Let's have a peek at it. Here on the side is the power switch, which is very welcome. I'm super tired of power switches being in the back of machines. However, it also plugs in right here on the side. That's also somewhat odd. Here in the back, you can see the filtration. Inside here, all the way around, is a filter. And then there's this compartment right here. And in here, you can pull out this tray that is additional filtration. You can actually hear what I suppose is carbon. This slides in here gently. This connects right here. It just kind of squeezes into place, but you can see how strong it is. It's literally hovering off of my desk. This part attaches to the other end of the hose and connects to the back of the printer like this. I do feel like this hose is too heavy to properly serve its purpose safely. I feel like there's a risk of breakage on the back of the air filter, maybe even the printer, or I feel like there'll be an inability to move that printer around even a little bit should you need to, because it doesn't snap in all that firmly. This panel doesn't feel terribly strong, and this hose is so strong, I feel like the machines will break before the hose does. But we will hold off on judgment till I actually get to see this thing in use. However, due to the lack of locking into place, this is quite easy to remove, which I will note as a positive and probably a good idea to prevent this from breaking if you were to move this or the machine in an inopportune way. It feels like the hose itself would detach rather than break. When I turned it on, I heard the slight, faint sound of a fan, and this power button illuminated. You'll see there are 3 stages of power. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 is reasonable. However, there is quite vibration on my desk. 2 and 3, well, they are quite powerful and quite loud. This number here is the PM concentration in the surrounding environment with a max number of 999. Right now it's 2.5. I don't have a clue what PM means, so we'll have to look that up and cover it again in a later video. In the manual, it shows number 34. I have number 1. I have no idea what the number 1 stands for. Perhaps it is the life of the filter. We'll look that up and go over this again in more detail another time. So there you have it, the Creality Smoke Purifier FDM version. It is a very nice looking piece of kit. It's also somewhat large and somewhat loud. I have much to learn about this new toy, and I'll do that and share it with you as soon as possible. Hit me up in the comments if you can hear me, and let me know what you think of Creality's new air purifier for resin and FDM printers. I'm Mr. Greg, and you're on 3D Rundown.